What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Trader stock MRIN, that thing went insane today. Check it out. All right, guys. Well, today was a day just for me, like every other day, patience, 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 waiting for the opportune moment to strike on a good setup. And that's what we did today on MRIN, and chat had it down packed. We nailed MRIN very well. The first trade was okay. The second trade was much better, and we nailed that one fairly well. So we're going to go ahead and cover those trades here as well as some of the other tickers we had on watch today, go over the charts and the levels we were looking at. Before we move further, do me a quick favor and smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And let's go ahead and jump into the charts so we can learn together.
Guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this recap here. Yesterday was a red day for me, but here we're going to go over today's trading. And today's trading, I didn't make back all of yesterday's losses just because I wasn't trading too large today, and I didn't really get in exactly where I wanted to get in on most of these. They kind of made moves a little bit quicker than I wanted, and it is what it is. But nonetheless, my job today was to come in, book a green day. I did that, and now I feel like chicka chicka, yeah. McLovin is a hero, so that's what it's like today. Chicka chicka, yeah. We made some money, so we managed our risk and did well. So we'll go ahead and I'll book it, and that'll be my green day here for the day. We'll go over the recap here on the trades. So on my very first trade of the day, and we really were on it with the watch list, guys. Check it out. So MRIN, obviously on everyone in the world's watch list, and CERE. CERE actually had a really nice run there. I didn't capitalize on CERE like I possibly could have, but then again, I didn't capitalize on MRIN like I possibly could have, even though it caught a good chunk of the trade here at the end, right? But CERE, I was watching CERE. You know what? Let me just recalibrate all this here, and we'll get down here and right there, boom. Okay, so we're watching CERE right in here for the pullback. I told you guys to watch it for a pullback. Right down there, we had 9 AMA, we had VWAP. So I got long in there, but unfortunately, I didn't get long where I normally would have, which would have been right here at the start of this bounce. I didn't get it. This was a very nice setup. You had the nice deep pullback on decreasing volume, and you had the nice bounce on a nice increase in volume. Exactly what you want to see. Unfortunately, when this happened, MRIN was also popping up some from the lows, and it took my attention away. And when I jumped in here, I got a little bit higher on my ads than I would have wanted. My initial entry wasn't terrible, but I had some ads going into the squeeze thinking we were going to just break the high of day, and we didn't. So I ended up selling it all out, right? And part of it was a winner, part of it was a loser. So this thing ended up being a little bit of a red trade on it for me. So I was like, all right, not happy about this one. So what else is moving around? CERE kept on making a nice move off of that VWAP zone. And obviously, I didn't expect it, to be honest with you, to push up there and then come back down one more time. I thought we would have gotten, 1, 2, 3, 4, like boom. That's what I was looking for here. But we didn't quite get that, which is kind of weird, especially after the 9 AMA triggered up and over VWAP. It's all okay, because I really wanted to trade MRIN. So MRIN had distracted me earlier on CERE when it popped in here. Okay, that's when it distracted me. But what we're going to do here is we're going to go over the various trades we went on with MRIN. So MRIN pops through VWAP right here with a very nice increase in volume. And right in there, I get long. Okay, I get long, aggressive entry right on the breakout. Boom, I get long, 903 initial entry, and I add throughout the entirety of this candle. And I take profits, right? I had a multiple take profits in this zone. Okay. And then here on this little pullback, I'm like, okay, I want to see if it can hold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on to the rest at break even and see if we can get the extension.
Well, guys, if you like this type of trading, if you want to learn to trade, if you want to come in, learn how to manage risk, learn how to be patient, identify levels, and trade properly, get a good education, have courses available at your fingertips, all right, in the dashboard, along with a video lesson library with over 200 videos, then you're at the right place. DayTraderChatRoom.com. I'm going to leave you a link in the comment and in the description section below. You can come join us for free on Mondays, or you can get access to a 5-day trial. I'll leave you the link down there. You get access to the dashboard, some courses, so you can get a feel of everything, plus the live trading with live recaps and live lessons every single day the market is open. All right, we'll leave you access to that there. And you can come check us out and then decide for yourself if you want to become a member of the DayTraderChatRoom.com. Now let's go ahead and jump back into the charts.
Right here, we get down to basically my entry on those, that final piece, which were ads. So I let it go. I let go of that final piece. And I say, I'm going to watch now for a pullback back down into 920. Why? Well, simple. If you come down here, whoops, I redraw my fibs since we made a new high. Right in here, and these low nines, I was looking for mid nines, so 920s is what I wanted. You had VWAP, 9 AMA, and the 38.2 Fibonacci level. So I was trying to get in here in the 920s. The lowest candle on this little consolidation was 930. 930 was the lowest, and I was trying to get in at 920. So by 10 cents, I didn't get my fill, and look at that move. I was like, bro, it was like a gut punch. It was like a gut punch, to be honest. But I said to you guys, I'm going to wait around because I think there's still opportunity here, right? To that $12 zone, 12.20, right? This is the lines we drew in pre-market. So right on this little doji, I got long again. I got long there, and let me grab my alerts, okay? Let's see here. Long MRIN 1076, stop 1080, 980 area. I took some profits off at 11, some more profits off at 1083, some more profits off when we started to squeeze right there at 1174, and then flat at 1210 right in here. It continued higher. High of day on it is 1275, but not a bad little trade right in there. I wanted to get flat in front of 1220 because 1220 was resistance. You can see previous support, and you can see clear as day resistance there, and a little bit of structure resistance up in here. So I was like, I want to get flat in front of that just in case we tap 1220 and then we reject, bang, really, really hard to the downside. And I don't want to get, stuck in a halt to the downside or anything like that. My job today was not to hit a home run, was not to make back all of yesterday's losses. My job today was to book a green day. I've done that, and I'm happy with the day. That's it. That's it. I'm not going to overstay my welcome. I'm not going to do anything silly. My job was to book a green day. I've done that, and now I'm going to sit and watch and see if anything resets itself to give me another opportunity. But not a bad day. Also on watch, we had AMC, nothing there. We had BSQR. This one, very choppy, reminds me of MRIN yesterday. Break above VWAP, shakes you out, breaks above VWAP. And this is typically why I wait for the pullbacks. Yesterday, MRIN, stopped me out just like that. It shook me out. MRIN was yesterday. Now BSQR, you can see today, similar. And then what do you get? A reclaim and a push higher. That, my friends, is chop. And chop is the worst. I hate chop. That's what happened to me yesterday with MRIN. It chopped me. XCLA was also on watch. You can watch and see if it reclaims VWAP. I'm not going to touch that one. SPCE was also on watch. It's drifted the gap. It did gap down today, so it's drifted lower. Okay. So,
Well, guys, that is it for today. I hope that this video was useful for you. If it was, then do me a solid and smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.